Look, guys.
Memory. Munong to ang magawa sa karon.
She's Filipino, guys, so understand her, please. She's gonna wear it on my recognition day. My God. Look here, Ma.
Here ma.
Ma.
Ulat kita di kay gusapon.
She said it doesn't fit her. Okay, are you done? You mommy, you look like a boy.
I made besides the
And also, guys, I'll make a video later about which choker made you subscribe. Mommy, look here. Mommy. She said she's too big and she looks like a pig. Look. She said she's gonna iron it. Mommy, look here. I'm gonna post you. Mommy, gonna post you. She said her tummy is so big, like a bunny. Mommy, speak English. Hi, guys. Okay, she's her. Mommy, show me. Why did you change? My grandma said it's for sleeping time. Oh, look. That's my brother. He likes when it's messy.
Bad tutok.
She said my mommy said my brother is so annoying.
Gano ka niya? Napapalakpak mo na yung mga ano.
She said, why is he clapping? Okay, guys, bye-bye.
Ligo ta, ligo. Ligo ta. Naslip ta.